Hey everyone, it's me, Spencer. I know I haven't done one of these pre-recorded videos in a while, but I have some exciting news. I wrote a book this year, The Perspective Drawing Guide, and it releases December 6th of this year. And I'm going to be on Talk Shop Live on October 27th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. That's 5 p.m. Pacific to talk about the book. I'll be there to answer any questions and give you any additional information and perspective, no pun intended, about the writing of the book. Additionally, there will be signed copies available. So if you're interested in acquiring a signed copy of my very first published book, The Perspective Drawing Guide, be there, check it out. Special thanks to Rocky Nook for being my publisher and being such a wonderful help and support. And I'm really excited for this opportunity to show up on Talk Shop Live, and I hope to see you there. So tune in. I will post a link in the description to the event so you can check that out. And yeah, just come with questions and comments and anything you're interested in related to my new book. I'm really excited for the opportunity. It's been such an amazing experience, and I look forward to seeing you there. Take care.